So, good morning, friends. Today I'll be talking about a topic which is called as time and work. Right, let me choose the pointer first. Fine. So, welcome again. We'll talk about time and work. The questions on time and work has been asked in CET quite many number of years. They are of different variety of questions which you can see basically, right? So first of all, let me talk about time and work. There's one concept called as M into D into H upon W is constant, right? In this case, M represents the number of persons or men, D is the number of days, H is the number of hours per day, and W is the amount of work done. This relationship will always remain constant. Right? Using this concept, let's see one question which has appeared in CET 2018. Let's read the question carefully. 12 men can complete a piece of work in 36 days. Now we are talking about only men and days. So my question would be starting from here, that 12 men can complete a work in 36 days. So man into days is always constant. The same thing, 18 women can complete the same piece of work in 60 days. So same work, 18 women can do it in 60 days. Now this relationship will help me to build a relationship between number of men and number of women as far as there is work is concerned, right? So can I cancel this out? 18 ones and 18 twos and 12 ones and 12 fives are. So I get 2 men is equal to 5 women. So I can replace men with women or women with men as per the requirement of the question. Now it says the same work, 8 men and 20 women started working together and worked for 20 days. Now, if only women were to complete the remaining piece of work, that means this is not the total work. There would be some extra work which will be equal to the work done by either 18 women or by 12 men in 36 days, right? So, we have to employ more women here for the remaining part of the work, which has to be completed in the remaining 4 days. So what we need to do is substituting either 2 men as 5 women or 5 women as 2 men. Right, so let me pick up this way. Instead of picking up women, so converting men into women, 8 men can be written as 20 women, because 2 men is 5 women, so 8 men will be written as 20 women. So this makes it 40 women. So I say 18 women work for 60 days and complete the work, which now 40 women have worked for 20 days plus some X women are going to work for 4 days. So if I simplify this, this is 1080 minus this is 800, which gives me equal to X women into 4 days. So if I simplify this, this gives me 280, which is equal to X women into 4 days. So the number of women comes out to be, X women comes out to be 70. Should be my answer. Let us see the options which they have mentioned. Yes, the answer is A. Thank you.